today's video. Today we're out here at Polo. It's race day, and I'm going out for my 2 sight laps right now for practice. So see you guys out on the track.
I think 444 got the win on this. I think he gets the whole shot and takes the lead pretty early, and I think he'll be good.
I say
he trains with
Hunter Lawrence.
He trains with points.
Who do you think it's it?
I don't know, dude. Those dudes are fast. That for the lead?
Now it's time, race time. So let's get ready and hopefully we can bring home the win. It's the harder class, 12 to 14. So we have
Squirrel.
some fast guys. Kid almost just wadded so hard. But see you guys out on the track and hopefully we can take home that win.
Oh, he got a 37 gate pick out of 40, so it's kind of fine what you can find, but this gate's so big, like there's a lot of room, and I think you can get a good start from about anywhere on this side of the box, so I think he's good. I think he's fine. And as long as the dirt's soft enough, I can always maneuver where he starts. If the rut's crooked on the other side, I always can make it work, as long as the dirt's soft. That's why I wear the mechanics boots, because I've worn a ton of shoes before, and you just get blisters on your feet trying to dig out the rut. So I think he's good. He's got to just have the will, like the drive today to want to win, because this is the older class, 12 to 14, and he's still like an AMA 12, so he's young in this class. There's some fast kids that are older here, so I want to see him. He can win it. It's going to take a lot more work, but he can win it.
Oh my god, oh my god. You feeling it? Yeah, you look at his arm.
Hey,
looks like a
your arm, dude.
You can adjust it.
Why are you shaking, dude?
Go to 10.
Super hard to move your fingers. Like, it feels like you're paralyzed.
Are you pumped you're not racing today?
What are you doing, Hudson?
Man, where's
Lap. You're supposed to be spending the day with Mom. I didn't think he was gonna come out here. Now he's bummed he didn't get to race. He watched the 50 riders, and now he's all bummed he wanted to race. I'm like, you don't even ride a 50. 50's like in the shop, retired. and Mom was supposed to take him to go do stuff. She takes off, just leaves him here, and so now he's just bugging me, telling me he should have raced. So it's pretty funny actually. And then I seen him pinning it through the pits with no helmet on, wheeling through the mud, splashing people. So that was cool. So I had to park him on that one. But he's got his buddy Matthew over there he's hanging out with. Keep him entertained, so should be alright for now.
Just sit up.
Alright.
Cause I'm a pro at these.
Oh, you're,
Don't even know how to use
rolling.
these. Sit there, yes! No, what did
It is going out for 85 mod, 12 to 13, I think.
Bike ready to go?
Oh yeah, it's dialed. I think it's the best it's ever been. It's so sick. Can't wait to see it shred.
Let's keep those tips. 159, 2 minutes, right in that area.
Tell us what happened, man. A little off-track excursion.
Yeah, I got off to an okay start, and I think I came out, yeah, I actually got the whole shot, so it's a good start. But I just rode my race and checked out, and last lap I think I kind of got squirrely at the lip, went off the track, and then I tried to get back on as slow as I can, but ended up stalling the bike, so just still had a huge lead, and I just kind of rode it out from there and finished on the podium.
There you go. You did. You finished the #1 spot here. Who do you want to thank, Deegan?
I'd like to thank my dad, mechanic, filmer, for coming out and get some good content, and obviously KT March Brigade, Dunlop, Pro Taper, FMF, Thor, 100%, 60, and just everybody else that's been helping me. Obviously, God keep me safe out there, and thanks to everybody. He kind of, because I'll usually open it up and hit the inside, but I didn't see the rug. I crossed-rode and watched his body. And then I got on slow, and then I stalled it.
What should we have him do? For the hat. If he can do 20 push-ups.
20 push-ups.
10.
10?
You gotta take it easy on the kid. I can't even do 20.
Kid's ripped. You've seen this kid? He's gnarly. Hey, come here.
What's up?
There you go. I was thinking, what can he do?
Can you do a pull-up?
Well, I didn't know what he was pull up on, dude.
Yeah, they're strong.
Oh, dude.
Yeah,
Right here, I want to pick you up and see how many pull-ups you can do. You think you can do 10? Right here, ready? I'll hold you. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There it is.
I can't
See, you don't see any video game kids doing that. And you got a hat, right?
No, you
on your
haven't.
head.
There it is.
Hey, I'm gonna pull something really bad. 31, new.
31. It's a good thing there's 40 gates. Be alright.
Last race of the day, guys. Hopefully being able to win as usual, but pull gate 31, so we're gonna have to try to pull this one off. So Just gonna have to send it. Hey, they're going race 38.
What about you, dude? What's going on?
I don't know.
A near miss right there.
Tell me about what's going on in a day of your life.
Nothing, just having fun.
I want to know about this YouTube channel. Is that thing growing or what? Give us the intel and where to follow you at.
Yeah, it's been going pretty good. Tyler right here has been helping it out, getting it all big. And if you guys want to go check it out, go over to Deegan 38.
He raced his first moto was the 12 to 14, the older kids. He did good. First national back, and he basically ended up second. Had a good battle at the end going with Preston, you know, and that's good because Hayden hasn't raced a national in a long time, so he hung in there and so much further ahead of all his age group kids, and I think it's good for him to get out with the faster older kids. He sets a pace. Then he went out to do his age group classes and pretty much worked everyone really bad. So we'll see. He's just getting back in the rhythm. Track's really good, and I think the Cal Classic National's been really good. Got the new Haley hat, going full NASCAR. And anyway, we're out of here. We'll be back tomorrow.
Alright guys, that is it for you guys. Today's video out here at Paula race day. Ended up going pretty good. I went, I think, like 2-1-1 and had some pretty good leads. So, but obviously make sure you guys subscribe. I like this video. Go get the merch, shopdeegan38.com. Boom. See you guys next time.